Welcome back to Crypto Labs News, your daily dose of crypto updates, XRP action, and everything in between. We've got massive breaking news, from new Ripple announcements to Trump's latest tariff bombshell and crypto gems flying under the radar. This week is looking like it could shake the entire market. But first, give me that beautiful smile to send out those good vibes. It's a Sunday. Recharge mode. And don't forget, likes are absolutely free. Smash that like button. And let's aim for 3,500 likes on this video. I know you guys can make it happen. XRP price analysis plus chart setup. Let's kick things off with XRP, currently sitting around $0.227, up about 2.5% on the day. XRP started picking up steam a few hours ago and has since consolidated around a key resistance zone, $0.227, a level we've seen rejected multiple times. Zoom out a bit, and you'll see this area has been a brick wall. 1, 2, 3 for rejections. But here's the catch. If XRP manages to close the daily candle above this trend line, two things could happen. 1. We finally break out of this resistance on the daily chart. Point 2. We cross over on the 1348 EMA, an indicator I personally use a lot. Last time XRP crossed those EMAs, we saw a 20% surge in just 5 days. If we get something similar, that could bring us to around $0.270 to $0.275. Not too far from recent local highs. But hold your horses. It's not a guaranteed moonshot. One thing that gives me pause is the stochastic RSI, which is sitting at the top, suggesting we might be due for a cool-off. So we're seeing a mix of bullish and bearish signals here. Ripple CEO's huge stablecoin announcement. Now, onto the big Ripple update. And this could be what gave XRP that initial push. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse dropped a bomb at a press conference in Singapore. The new Ripple stablecoin, RLUSD, will be accepted as collateral for all services at Hidden Road, a major institutional platform. Let that sink in. This is the first stablecoin designed for efficient, large-scale cross-margin trading between crypto and traditional markets. With 24/7 availability, it's already been filed with the DTCC, which is big. This could bring serious volume to the XRP ledger, and that traffic could, in theory, boost XRP's price performance. Of course, market movements are rarely that simple. We've got narratives, algorithms, geopolitical events, whales, and timing, all at play. Still, make no mistake, this is a huge step forward for Ripple and XRP utility. Key macro events to watch this week. Now, what's coming up this week? Let's look at the macro calendar, because yes, the markets are back in full swing after the holiday. Tuesday, EIA Short-Term Energy Outlook. Wednesday, 10-year U.S. Treasury auction. And remember, the last time bond auctions failed, markets freaked out. Also Wednesday, Fed meeting minutes. Sometimes these give the market a jolt. Thursday, initial jobless claims data. Friday, EIA monthly report. Keep an eye on those dates. We're heading into a potentially volatile stretch. Trump's tariff extension drama. Let's talk Trump. According to Treasury Secretary Bessent, Trump will now impose April 2nd level tariffs on countries that don't finalize trade deals by August 1 SD. This is being called a pause extension from July 9th to August 1st. But honestly, the language is confusing. Did the pause get extended? Or are the tariffs just delayed in enforcement? Twitter says one thing. The fine print says another. Either way, it's clear, tariffs are coming, whether it's July 9th or August 1st. And when they do, markets will react. White House claims zero chance of recession. Really? White House economic advisor Hassett recently said there's zero chance of a recession. Let's be real. Remember just months ago when analysts were screaming about an imminent recession? Now it's all sunshine and rainbows? Well, according to data from Grok AI, Hassett is likely wrong. Q1 GDP contracted by 0.5%. Unemployment is creeping up to 4.1%. And we have a widening current account deficit. While we haven't had 2 consecutive negative GDP quarters yet, the risks are still out there. Nobody wants a recession under their presidency, especially not Trump. But the numbers don't lie. Toncoin plus UAE Golden Visa. Crypto for residency. Here's something that flew under the radar but could be a game changer. Toncoin has just partnered with the UAE. If you stake $100,000 worth of TON for 3 years, and pay a one-time $35,000 fee. You can qualify for a 10-year golden visa. This is huge. No real estate needed. No massive business investment. Just crypto. It's a big win for crypto integration into global immigration policy. No income tax in the UAE either, so don't be surprised if more crypto whales pack their bags and head to Dubai.so. There you have it. XRP is pushing resistance. Ripple is making major moves. Trump is shaking the global trade tree. Toncoin is changing immigration rules. And BON is buzzing. This is why you subscribe to Crypto Labs News, to stay ahead of the curve. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, ring the bell, and drop a comment, whether it's about the XRP price, Trump's tariff strategy, or Toncoin's new UAE deal. You can support the channel through channel memberships or super thanks, and it's always appreciated. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. And like I always